Gali Mustafa Tijani, representing Albasuga, Jinki Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Kano State and a lunatic fringe to Concosia. Mr. Speaker, I'm coming under Order 6, Rule 5, complaint against publication.
Please, can you go to watch page? I want members to look at that.
Page 38.
Members, if you have your rule, open page 38. Can you please read it for us?
Mr. Speaker, complaint against publication. Any member complaining to the House of a statement in a newspaper, book, or other publication as a breach of privilege shall produce a copy of the newspaper, book, or other publication containing the statement in question, and it shall be prepared to give the name of the printer or publisher, provided that no member shall present a petition to the House as a matter of privilege. Mr. Speaker, I woke up this morning to see an online publication from the Deputy Spokesman of the House. Read as the content, or the heading read as, the newspaper is Daily Trust. And it reads, those who oppose to tax reform bill now seeking speedy passage.
Say that again.
Those who oppose to tax reform bills now seeking speedy passage. Mr. Speaker, I am one of the first people that oppose this vehemently. And Mr. Speaker, the House or the Deputy Spokesperson did not contact me as a stakeholder or did not seek my opinion in this. Mr. Speaker, the heading is insinuating that those who oppose this bill is like there is an inducement somewhere. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I am calling.
Do you have the copy of the publication?
Yes, I will lay it, Mr. Speaker.
Can you send it to me?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. Let me finish. Then I will bring it. Mr. Speaker, I am calling for the withdrawal of this statement and an investigation and an apology in a print media, because I'm coming. Mr. Speaker, this is an injurious to me and injurious to my people, to my religion, and also to my region where I came from. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I am calling this. Mr. Speaker, this is an entire breach of privilege. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I think this is unprofessional, this is unethical and immoral. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, we are calling, or I am personally calling.
We are calling.
For this matter.
We are calling.
For this matter.
Doctor must be heard in silence. Let's hear him in silence.
For him to resign or to be investigated to find out who, or to bring the list of those people that are opposing this, that now are asking for the speedy passage of this bill. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, this should be produced, or we are calling for his resigning from the spokesperson or deputy spokesperson of this House. Mr. Speaker, permit me to lay this document before the
House. Point of order.
What is your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, Order 6.